eCAM is a computerized asset management solution designed to help you manage complex maintenance-related activities with ease. With eCAM, you can keep track of and manage your assets, workforce, and inventory. You can also use it to simplify maintenance planning and work order management, as well as make better, more informative decisions. Improper maintenance incur costs that pile up. eCAM ensures you perform your maintenance at the right time, with the right number of resources, which helps cut down expenses. Stocking too much or having too little inventory leads to problems. By using eCAM's in-built inventory management system, you can ensure your inventory levels are optimal, saving you money. Reactive maintenance can reduce availability of resources, which can lead to lost business opportunities. eCAM's proactive maintenance approach increases asset availability and ensures your assets are always ready to serve your customers. eCAM's scheduled preventive maintenance helps you to extend your asset's lifetime. For example, by ensuring to rotate vehicle tires every 40,000 kilometers, you can extend the lifetime of your tires. Adhere to compliances with A, B, and C service alerts, and have all the maintenance records at your fingertips at any given time. With eCAM, you can perform breakdown analysis and identify the cause of failures, helping you manage them in future. Improve visibility, reduce wasted time, and analyze workshop productivity with eCAM's work order management system. With eCAM's centralized data repository, you gain full visibility of your running costs, wastage on vehicles, and much more, which helps you make informed decisions. eCAM eases communication between your agents and your workshop, facilitating the flow of information such as job starts, job progress, and job ending alerts, keeping you updated. To learn more about eCAM, visit us at www.ecam.codexbeta.com.